Okay. So last word, data, facts, figures, and other evidence gathered through observation. And so data is always recorded in a data table, like ones that we've practiced, and like this one. Data tables are designed to organize, record, and remember our data. And they're very important because they allow us to make sure we keep everything straight, don't confuse any of our facts, and see patterns when we have it all nice and organized. Computing facts is something that's very common. Usually, a good example is like the fish story. A lot of the time, as time passes, some story that happened to you, you start to embellish. I'm sure everyone's had this experience where something happened to them, and as you tell it to your friends the first time, you embellish just a tiny bit. As you tell it to some new friends the second time, or some other friends for the second time, you embellish a little bit more. And by the time you told it like the 10th time, the story's not quite the same as how it actually happened. And that does kind of happen as time passes on, and things get fuzzy, and we tend to just embellish a little bit. Keeping a good record of our data makes it so none of that embellishment happens. It's just the facts that are there. Okay, so 2 to 5 minutes, depending on how far everyone's gotten, to do to the second part of your vocab, and then we have our math break. So remember, the second part is either writing the definition in your own words or drawing a picture to represent the words. I believe that was 4 words that we did today, correct? Okay, so you should have 4 words and then 4 sections that have the definition in their own words or pictures for the vocab. We've already done one of them, though, for making models. And some of you probably have done them as we worked.